Leo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or makaka-relate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much, Leo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong love life or romantic situation. Ano yung mga energies and messages for you, Leo. Love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Okay. Yeah, merong someone na nag-iisip or iniisip ka, Leo. Yeah, they want to express their love. They want to let you know. Okay. Merong nagpaparamdam, seduction, attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, third party, interference. Okay, merong third party, okay? Yeah, you are attracting someone or someone is attracting you. Okay? Merong third party sa inyong relasyon. Photograph. Looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, your person, they are looking at your photos. Okay? They miss you. For some, they want to make memories with you, Leo. Kiss on a ring. Many options. Decision. Unconventional. String along. One night stand. Yeah. Kiss on a ring. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi normal ang relationship because there is third party interference. Okay? May kailan ka rin gawing na desisyon, Leo, in your relationship or sa inyong romantic situation. Okay? Yeah. For some, marami kayong options. Okay. Leo. Leo, ano messages for you on love and romance? Your person is thinking of you or nagsaspy or stalking, getting information about you. Yeah, yung tao na nasa isip ninyo or yung person na interesado ka or interesado sa inyo. Okay. Medyo naguguluhan. Okay. He or she cannot seem to make a decision. Parang meron siyang options. Yeah. Yeah, they are interested on you, Leo. Okay. But challenges, may mga challenges along the way. Pero yung attention and focus, focus or yung attention niya nasa inyo. Yeah. For some of you, Leo, you are winning someone. You feel good about someone. Okay? Parang you are interested to this person or to your person. Gusto mong manalo sa kanila. You want to win them. Okay? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano tong Page of Swords for Leo? Okay. Page of Swords. Why? The World. Yeah. Yeah. Yung person ninyo, okay, they're thinking about you. Parang gusto kanila makilala. Okay? Yung parang sa mas malalim. Sa mas malalim na paraan. They want to know you better. Leo, they are interested. They're interested in you. Okay? Getting information about you. Okay? Yeah. They want to know more about you, Leo. Yeah, they are interested. Two of Swords, Two of Wands, yes, nag-iisip yung person ninyo. Okay? On how to expand. Or paano magkaroon ng improvement sa inyong relationship. He or she is thinking about the future. Okay? Thinking about expansion, how to move forward with you, the world. Okay? Your person is parang palagi lang siya na nasa isip niya. Okay? Yeah. Parang gusto ng person mo mag-build ng connection with you. Okay? Parang gusto niyang alamin ka. Okay? So, basically, interesado sila sa inyo. And he or she is thinking how to expand, thinking about the future, ano yung next step. Okay? Or planning at the same time. But, there are challenges or complicated challenges na kailangan malampasan. Yeah. The Chariot. Yeah, Queen of Wands. Yeah, your person is like, parang magaan yung pakiramdam ng person ninyo. He or she feels good about you, Leo. Okay? Parang nakafocus or interesado siya sa inyo. Okay. Parang ngayon, alam niya na kung ano yung gusto niya, Leo. And parang determined siya. Na, yeah, determined siya or confident siya na mas kilalanin pa kayo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba is nag-iipon pa ng courage to talk to you. Okay. Yeah, your person is attracted to you, Leo. This is you because you are confident. Okay. Same time, you are victorious and successful. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a cancer. Queen of Cups. Yeah. You like someone, Leo. You like this person. Yeah, you are dealing for some of you to a water sign. Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer. You feel good about them, okay? May special feelings ka sa kanya. You want to win their heart, Leo. The Wheel? Bakit may the Wheel? Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. The challenge is it is not moving forward, okay? Merong blockages. Yeah. 9 of Pentacles. Okay. Someone is not someone is not single. This is the problem. This is the challenge. That's why it is not moving forward. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you want to win someone who is a mother, caring and nurturing at the same time. Okay, you want to win their heart. Yeah, that's why it's a problem because because that person is not single. There's no moving forward. Parang wala siyang direksyon or patutunguhan na maayos. Kung ituloy itong relationship na to or kung ituloy mo yung gusto mo sa taong ito, Leo. Okay. Yeah, your person, yes, naguguluhan or unable to decide on something. Merong challenge sa expansion. Okay. Yeah, but your person is very interested. Interesado siya sa inyo, Leo. Okay. And now, parang alam niya na kung ano yung gusto niya. He wants to know more about you. Yeah, attracted. Your person is attracted to you. Okay. That is the 8 of Cups. Yeah, 9 of Wands. So, there will be moving on in the situation. Kasi, parang stressful yung situation. Parang burden at the same time. Okay? Parang, maliit lang yung chance that this situation will survive. Or, will continue. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, because of two of Wands, 2 of Swords, choices, options. Okay. But it's going nowhere because the challenge is the other person or you, Leo, is not single. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's like there's no freedom. That's the challenge. That's the problem. Yeah, parang magkakaroon lang din ng disappointment in the situation. Yeah, disappointment. Parang nakaka-stress din yung situation na to. Okay? Parang walang growth. That's a challenge sa ganitong sitwasyon. And natin, Queen of Swords. What is Queen of Swords? The Tower. Okay. So, thinking the right way. Okay? Thinking the right way. Yeah. Clearing away things that no longer serve you. Okay? Kung mayroong mga unhealthy patterns or behavior, cut it out or disconnect. Okay? So, you need to be you need to think intelligently. Be smart. Okay? Sa mga moves. Although you are also planning on something, but you need to be careful. Leo. Okay? Yeah, because you may be breaking a foundation, a tower. Yeah. So, you need to think smart. Alright? So, tingnan natin. Excuse me. Ano yung hidden truths from your person? Merong, I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. I hid who I really am from you. And then, I wish I could take back my words. Alright. And one message from the angels. Okay. Romance. Cupid's arrow strikes. Give thanks for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all that your heart truly desires. And trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. Alright? So, these are the messages for you, Leo. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!